Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. 285 new jobs will be created by the new Wisynco brewery and manufacturing facility in Lakes Pen, St. Catherine. The company says 85 will be employed in direct production, while roughly 200 are set to benefit from indirect production, namely sales, distribution, and marketing. Andrew Mafood, Chief Executive Officer of Wisynco, says the US $35 million investment expands the brand's production capacity. The factory, which has 4 production lines, is the only local facility that is equipped to produce carbonated soft drinks in cans. Additionally, the new factory gives Wisynco the ability to also produce beer, wine, rum mixes, and other ready-to-drink beverages. With more than 2,500 employees and a customer base of over 13,000, Wisynco is a leading beverage manufacturing and distribution company with a strong operational footprint in Jamaica. The Planning Institute of Jamaica says migration to the United States remains a key economic factor for Jamaica, even as the U.S. moves to suspend the processing of immigrant visas from Jamaica. Remittances from Jamaicans living and working in the U.S. total US $238 million in October last year, an 8.3% decline compared with the same month a year earlier. For the period January to October, remittance inflows from the US amounted to US $2.8 billion. These inflows accounted for just over 15% of Jamaica's economic output in 2024, down from more than 18% in 2022, reflecting a gradual easing in the economy's dependence on remittances. PBCJ data show that an average of nearly 17,000 Jamaicans migrated to the US each year between 2013 and 2022, peaking at more than 23,000 in 2016. The PBCJ estimates that between 1.1 and 1.5 million Jamaicans now live in the United States, mainly in New York and Florida, making the U.S. the largest source of remittance inflows to the Jamaican economy. The United States has announced an indefinite suspension of immigrant visa processing from Jamaica and 74 other countries effective January 21. For the trading period of January 15, 2026, the most actively traded securities were AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited with 13,002,961 units, representing 32.3% of market sales activity. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 7,458,022 units, representing 18.53% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,437,395 units, representing 8.54% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, construction, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 15, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. Trading margins for the US dollar reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling $158.41 and buying at $156.93. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 53-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.84 and was bought for $113.31. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $6.88 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.26 and was bought for $207.38. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.